Okay, so when I'm looking at this one, I look a little closer, and this actually is incorrect at this point. And so when we start with our velocity, if I integrate that, I end up getting negative 10 cosine t over 2 plus c1. Oh, it's actually going to be a positive because the integral of is a negative cosine, and then it's going to be a positive 10 sine t over 2 plus c2. Those are going to be my values. Now I know that when t equals 0, I have the coordinate point negative 10, 0. So when I substitute t equals 0 into this equation, I get 10 cosine of 0 plus c1 equals negative 10. And so that is 10 plus c1 equals negative 10. So c1 equals negative 20. And with c2, when I substitute 0 and I go 10 times the sine of 0 plus c2 equals 0. And that's so c2 equals 0. And so my position is going to be 10 cosine t over 2 minus 20 and 10 sine t over 2. So now if we think about our graph, right, we know we start here, and when t equals 0, we're at the point negative 10, 0. So we'll cross negative 10 and up 0. This is when t equals 0, I get negative 10. Now, as t increases, now I'm going to make t equal, let's say, pi, which is 3.14 seconds. So then it's going to be 10 at cosine pi by 2 minus 20 and 10 sine pi by 2. Well, when I do the calculations on that, I get 10 times 0 cosine of pi by 2 minus 20 is going to be minus 20, and do the x value, it's going to be 10 times 1, so that's going to be 10. And so what happens then, I have this coordinate point, I go across negative 20 and I go up 10. So it's gone from here to here. Now I'm also going to go along and let's try t equals, if I do 2 pi, then it's going to be 10 cosine pi minus 20 and 10 sine pi. Well, that's going to be cosine of pi is negative 1, so that's going to be negative 30. Sine of pi is 0, so that is 0. And so now I'm at the point negative 30, 0, and so it's going to here. And so you can see that it's going around this way with a few points. I hope that helps.